here with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys. I want to say, you know what I mean, we have a few recipes which we normally do. We do some 15 minutes recipe. I don't remember if I did one before, but I did some spaghetti and tuna one before. 15 minutes recipe at home. Bang, you know what I mean, the kids them gone back to school, and also, you know what I mean, the kids them gonna come home and you wanna do something quickly. And you know what I mean, during the week, this really come really handy. We're gonna give you a recipe which can fill an even gap. Caribbean style, Caribbean way of cooking, but it's a little twist in it. So 15 minutes recipe, it's gonna be some spaghetti, or you can use pasta and some corned beef cook up. Goes really well. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much, guys. It's amazing. One more time again, Chef Ricardo 15 minutes meal, very easy and simple. You can do this at home with the kids them. When the kids them upstairs in the boat and you downstairs, bang bang, get the pot on the stove and cook a 15 minutes meal. Done and dusted at home. Enjoy the recipe. See you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely, guys. As you can see, this is all the ingredients which you're gonna be using right straight inside of the lovely corned beef. We got tomato, white onion, spring onion, peppers, sweet corn, and a can of corned beef right over here. Basically, as I mentioned before, how to remove the fat from the corned beef. We got a video of that coming up very soon. Hopefully we'll enjoy that recipe when it come out. Also the tips and the idea of the corned beef. Now we're gonna get all of these ingredients cut up, put straight inside of that pot. Alright, lovely. So right here, that's my medium sized front pan what I'm gonna use. So basically we're gonna pop some vegetable oil inside of it, just like this, roughly teaspoon and a half of oil. Will be pretty good for it. So my front pan is at about 2 to 3 seconds now, so probably a little bit warm. First thing what we're gonna do is put in some tomato, and we cut it up very small inside of it. That's the first thing. Start to fry. Turn them up over a little bit medium. That's the tomato. And I'm using one medium sized tomato. That's a little half of the tomato. Basically I got some white onion is a must. A lot of people cook it. Oh, I don't like to use my white onion. No, you want your food to taste nice. If you don't eat white onion, all you try to do is cook it out. So, you know what I mean? Cut it up a little bit small. That's the white onion. I'm just using 1/4 of the white onion. 1 stalk of spring onion. Cut it up very small and nice. You can see it, fresh and nice. Look at that. Then we got some mixed pepper which we want to use also inside of it, because what happened? The mixed pepper do give it some flavor and taste, and you know what I mean? It's just brilliant. Look at that. Look at the color and ready. So that's what you're looking for when you're making a nice, lovely corned beef. That's what you want to get, this perfect color. Really nice. And then we're going to get the green pepper also inside of it. And just cut it up a little bit small. You don't have to cut it like I'm doing it, guys. You can cut it your kind of way. That's the green pepper. Some people do put garlic and thyme inside of it, but you don't have to go so far with it. Look at that. Beautiful and nice. Look at the peppers. Really nice. Give it a nice little stir like this. So basically what we're going to want to need to do to see happen at the moment is that we're going to pop a little bit of toasted pepper inside of it like that. But what we want to see happen now, we want this to cook down at least good 5 to 6 minutes. Alright? On a medium sized heat. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, this is fried up properly. A lot of people say, oh, I don't like to use a lot of veg in my cooking. Guys, nothing can beat your tomato, your cucumber, all of these things. Your lettuce, veg is good. Your mixed peppers, all in the cooking with all this kind of seasoning is good. Can help to balance your diet. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna get that lovely corned beef. get it inside of it, and all they're gonna do. Some people put it in their microwave for about 3 minutes if you like to, but I'm not a microwave fan. So basically, just do it like this. And I have some frozen sweet corn which I'm gonna put inside of it also. A little bit of ketchup. Some people don't use ketchup, but you don't have to use it if you don't like ketchup. Nice one. And then what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna simple cover it and turn it on a medium size heat, and we're gonna steam and cook for roughly 5 more minutes. Nice and lovely. So look at this now, guys. See? Corned beef gets soft and cooked very easy. Once you cover the pot and the pot sweat, that's what's gonna happen. So basically, I could even share out this now. But this is finished. But it's looking lovely and nice. So what we're gonna do? As I say, it's a 15 minutes meal. The pasta already done cooked. So if you cook out some spaghetti or pasta left over, that's even better. So let's share it up this guys. This is finished. Done and dusted. Alright, enjoy the recipe. As I said, nice recipe. And I know you guys will like it. So this is how it go. Right on top of it like this. 15 minutes recipe. All of the Jamaican them in England, I found a recipe this. Someone work very hard, come home, have to deal with the kids homework and all them thing there. So that's all the recipe got. Hopefully you guys will like the recipe and subscribe to the channel and leave the comments. Thank you so much. You might have said, why this a chef I gonna show him how to do this recipe, yeah. But it's just ideas. You know what I mean? There's a lot of people all over the world watching the YouTube channel. And a lot of people like to learn new ideas, new things to make life more easier. Alright? So this is how it go. Handy and effective. Enjoy the recipe, and it comes with spaghetti and pasta mixed together. Enjoy the recipe, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.